Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial I would like to show you how to get 4K quality on CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut application, and here is the look. You can just create a new project and start your editing, or you can also use the previous project. So I already have the project here. I already have on my pad. I already have this project. I already have the clip. I already have the audio too. And to get a 4K quality for this video editing, you just need to go right away on this part. You just need to change from the 1080 quality into the 4K resolution. But you have to take a look, you have to concern that the higher the resolution, that will be also the highest the size that you will cut later. So if you save in a 1080p, you only have 26 MB for the size of the file, but then if you change it into 4K, that will be increased into 64.9. But then if you already deal with it, you just need to go click export to save your video into your phone. So that's the way how to get 4K quality on the CapCut application. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.